Ethical Hacker Training. Ethical Hacker Training. Mastering Cybersecurity and Penetration Testing. Welcome to GoLogica. In this video, we are discussing Ethical Hacker Training, an extensive course designed to help IT professionals master cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and penetration testing methodologies. Here we can explore an ethical hacker training roadmap about the course, prerequisites, eligibility criteria, salaries, roles and responsibilities, training program and key modules. First, we discuss about the course. The Ethical Hacker course is designed to equip individuals with the skills and knowledge required to identify, assess, and mitigate cybersecurity threats. Ethical hacking, also known as penetration testing or white hat hacking, involves legally testing systems, networks, and applications to uncover vulnerabilities before malicious hackers exploit them. This course covers essential topics such as network security, cryptography, penetration testing, malware analysis, and web application security. Participants learn various hacking tools and techniques, including password cracking, social engineering, and wireless security testing. The curriculum also emphasizes ethical and legal considerations, ensuring professionals adhere to cybersecurity laws and best practices. The course benefits IT professionals, security analysts, and anyone interested in cybersecurity careers. In this course, learners can simulate cyber attacks, detect weaknesses in systems, and implement security measures to safeguard organizations from potential breaches. Ethical hackers play a crucial role in protecting sensitive data, preventing cyber threats, and strengthening digital infrastructures. With increasing cyber risks worldwide, the demand for ethical hackers continues to grow, making it a lucrative and impactful career choice. Let's discuss prerequisites for the training. To enroll in this course, candidates should have basic knowledge of operating systems like Linux, Windows, understanding of networking fundamentals and security concepts, familiarity with command line interfaces, CLI, and scripting, Python, Bash, or PowerShell, knowledge of cybersecurity tools and methodologies, optional but beneficial, prior experience in IT security or networking, recommended but not mandatory, eligibility criteria for ethical hacker training. This course is suitable for cybersecurity analysts looking to enhance their skills in penetration testing and threat analysis, penetration testers aiming to identify and exploit security vulnerabilities, network security engineers securing network infrastructures and implementing defensive strategies, cloud security engineers implementing security controls in cloud environments, AWS, Azure, GCP, IT administrators and security engineers transitioning into cybersecurity and ethical hacking roles, software developers ensuring secure coding practices and vulnerability assessments, incident responders and forensic experts investigating security breaches and implementing countermeasures, red team, blue team specialists engaging in ethical hacking and defense strategies. Now we discuss the salaries, roles, and responsibilities of an ethical hacker. After completing this training, professionals can take on various ethical hacking and cybersecurity roles and earn impressive salaries, including ethical hacker, penetration tester, conduct security assessments, simulate attacks, and exploit vulnerabilities, and the average salary ranges from $90,000 to $130,000 per annum. Cybersecurity analyst, perform threat analysis, security monitoring, and risk assessments, can earn an average salary from $95,000 to $140,000 per annum. Security consultant, provide advisory services on cybersecurity best practices and risk mitigation. The average salary demands $100,000 to $150,000 per annum. Cloud security engineer, implement security policies in AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud environments. The average salary is $110,000 or $160,000 per annum. Incident response specialist, investigate security breaches and implement cybersecurity countermeasures. Based on experience, the average salary is $100,000 or $140,000 per annum. Red team specialist, simulate cyber attacks to assess an organization's security posture. Due to the location-based, the average salary is $120,000, $170,000 per annum. SOC analyst, security operations center, monitor, detect, and respond to security incidents. The average salary ranges from $85,000, $120,000 per annum. Finally, we discuss about the training program. The GoLogica Ethical Hacker Training Program is an extensive, industry-relevant course designed to equip IT professionals with the necessary skills to identify, exploit, and mitigate cybersecurity threats. The program covers essential cybersecurity and penetration testing techniques, ensuring that learners gain expertise in ethical hacking and security best practices. The curriculum includes key modules such as Introduction to Ethical Hacking, which provides a foundational understanding of cybersecurity, reconnaissance, and footprinting for gathering intelligence and identifying vulnerabilities, and network security and penetration testing to secure network infrastructures and perform penetration testing. Participants will also learn system hacking techniques, including unauthorized access, privilege escalation, and backdoor attacks. Other modules cover web application security, focusing on OWASP top 10 threats like SQL injection, XSS, and CSRF, and wireless and cloud security, addressing Wi-Fi and cloud-related threats. Additional topics include social engineering and malware analysis, cryptography and data security, security compliance and risk management, incident response and digital forensics, and advanced penetration testing. Learners gain hands-on experience through real-world projects and cybersecurity labs. GoLogica also offers certification preparation for globally recognized credentials, including Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, Offensive Security Certified Professional, OSCP, CompTIA Security Plus, Certified Information System Security Professional, CISSP, and GIAC Penetration Tester, GPEN, enhancing career opportunities in the rapidly growing cybersecurity field. This training also provides resume-building assistance, mock interviews, and career guidance, helping learners secure high-paying cybersecurity jobs. The flexible learning options, including weekend batches and self-paced learning, are offered to working professionals and students alike. Upon completion, participants will be ready to conduct security assessments, detect vulnerabilities, and implement cybersecurity solutions in real-world environments. Enroll today and take the next step in mastering ethical hacking and advancing your cybersecurity career with GoLogica.